Listen here, tech people. They watched the whole video, then they ghosted you anyway. Let's talk about why. According to Forrester, 67% of the B2B buyer's journey happens before they ever speak to sales. If your content doesn't align with where they are in the buyer's journey, it simply might as well be invisible. What we've been doing is analyzing hundreds of buyer paths, and here's what we found. Most videos fail because they speak to the brand, not the buyer. What does that mean? Like, you're on a date. Want a second date? Talk about the other person as much as possible. Companies often create videos that talk about themselves, their features, their awards, their team, their origin story, rather than focusing on what the customer actually cares about. In awareness, buyers want insights, not intros. In consideration, they need specifics, friction points, integrations, comparisons. In decision, real-world results, and a clear next step, a good call to action. What works? Short, scroll-stopping content, muted visuals, data worth, screenshotting, not brand videos, buyer videos. Something like a 15-second video showing how a SaaS platform reduced churn by 32%. No fluff, just proof, frameworks, and a path forward. So stop guessing what buyers want. Just simply follow Tuplex Media for the blueprint that converts. Which stage is your content missing? Is it awareness? Is it consideration? Is it missing decision? Go ahead, comment below. And because you watched this video to this point, click the button below where it says learn more, and I will send you a free video content playbook. It will answer all these questions for you. Yes, it is free. It is a gift for simply watching the video up until this point. Hey, if this video brings you value, go ahead and like it, share it, subscribe, and we'll send you more content down the road, how AI can help transform your content creation. And as always, we've got 2 more videos for you. This one right here talks about how tagging Perplexity by sending out a tweet using X will send you back a free AI generated video that's under 8 seconds. This one right here, I've chosen just for you. We'll see you in the next video.